How to fix the camera not working in TikTok on iPhone. If TikTok can't access your camera, or the camera isn't working when you try to record a video, here are some simple fixes you can try. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps, then select TikTok. Make sure Camera is turned on. Also check Microphone and Photos and make sure TikTok has the permissions it needs. Next, go back to the main settings screen and tap Privacy and Security. Select Camera and make sure TikTok is allowed to access your camera. Now, close TikTok completely and open it again. If the camera still doesn't work, open the App Store, search for TikTok, and install any available update. You can also restart your device and try recording again. If the camera works normally in the Camera app but still doesn't work in TikTok, the problem is likely related to the app, permissions, or a temporary TikTok issue. And that's it. These are the easiest ways to fix the camera not working in TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful TikTok tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.